Another year brings another strong release from New Balance, as the iconic 1500 made in UK continues its legacy in 2026. This silhouette remains one of the most respected models in the Made in UK lineup, thanks to its consistent quality, comfort, and timeless design. Rather than relying on flashy colors, the New Balance 1500 focuses on premium materials and everyday wearability that longtime fans appreciate. This latest version features classic grey mesh paired with rich Kombu Green suede, creating a balanced and mature look. A gum outsole underneath adds a familiar touch that many sneaker enthusiasts love, offering both durability and style. Crafted in Flimby, England, the attention to detail and craftsmanship is exactly what you would expect from the Made in UK program. While the retail price sits at $210, the value is reflected in the materials, comfort, and longevity.